In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to move pages here in Canva. Now, there's a couple of different ways you can do this, and it all depends on the layout of your design. Now, right off the bat, we can see our pages underneath. But if we click on this little drop-down arrow just there, it's going to hide them all, and then we've got them all like this. Now, to move them around in this style, let's go down to the bottom because I have this one just here. What we'd simply want to do is click on this little arrow where it says move up. Now if we've moved that up, it's now been moved, and we can click on the move down arrow to move it back down. Now that's one way. Another way, if we click on this little drop down arrow, we now have the layout like this. And if we click onto a page, we can then drag it and drop it to wherever we want. So that's another way that we can move pages. The last way is coming down here to the right hand corner where we see this grid view. If we click on there, we now have our pages like this, and again we can click and drag the pages to wherever we want. But nonetheless, that's how easy it is to move pages here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.